I have 3 purchase invoices and 3 bank statements uploaded in the application. In Excel, I have pasted accounting entries from the general ledger and information about the bank account to which the liabilities from these invoices should have been paid. My goal is to confirm that the accounting entries were created based on source documents and that the liabilities resulting from these invoices were paid to the correct bank accounts. Table matching is a very good function for this type of analysis. I select the client name, invoice number, and amount. I go to table matching on the ribbon, and in the first step I select the documents on which I want the analysis to be performed. I will be analyzing entries, so invoices are what interest me. In the next step, I choose the column in Excel where the analysis result will be visible. Column E suits me, so I don't change anything here. I confirm my selection with the Next button, and after a moment the analysis result appears in Excel. By navigating through the individual fields, I am taken to the corresponding location in the document. The comparison shows that the company technology did indeed issue invoice number 5 for the amount of €5,599.5. Therefore, the entry was created based on the source document. The second part of the analysis is to confirm that the liabilities from the invoices were paid to the correct bank account. So I select the client name, invoice amount, and bank account. I go to table matching. I select the group of documents on which the analysis will be performed. These are bank statements. I choose the column number where I want to see the analysis results. Since columns E to H are already occupied, I choose the next free one, which is I. I confirm my selection with the Next button, and after a moment I see the analysis result in Excel. By going through the individual items, I am taken to the corresponding place on the bank statement, and I see that indeed the amount of €5,599.5 was transferred to the account indicated on the invoice, and for the technology vendor. Therefore, both the accounting entries and the transfers have been correctly recorded.